Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make postcard in Canva. You can design any types of postcard using Canva. First, log into your Canva account and then click the Canva logo to go to the dashboard of the Canva. So this is the dashboard of my Canva account, and now click the template section and now search on postcard or write POSTCARD card. So now press the enter from the keyboard, and here you will find all of the postcard available for you. These all are the template. You can use this template with adjust with your information in the postcard. So here one thing you should remember that some of the postcard template has crown icon. That means this crown icons template is only available for the pro member. If your account is Canva free account, then I suggest you don't use any template with the pro tag because you can't download or use this template. You should select any template without crown icon. So let's see how we can find any types of postcard without crown icon. See, this design is without crown icon. That means you can use this if you are a Canva free user. If you are a Canva Pro user, then all of the templates are available for you to make design from that. So we can use this template. 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 So these all are the free template available for you. So let's see. So let's say I want to choose this template and I want to make my design like this template. So click here and it will pop up to you to customize this design, and now click customize this template, and this is the design. You can customize this design with information. So you can replace this text, you can replace this information with your own information, you can replace this information, you can replace this image. So this is one way you can design a postcard from a template. Another way you can make a postcard by your own. This is own idea. So click here. So this is a blank canvas for me. And now let's say first add some shape here. So I want to add circle shape, and click here in the shape section. Click here and add the shape in here, and I want to add some other types of shape in my design. Let's say I want to add this shape as well. So now change the color. So let's say I want to change it with this color, or I want to make it little highlight, and now replace with your image. So I want to add an image in here. So now I want to add a frame. Search here to get frames, and we see all of the available frame here. We can add any of the frame from here. Let's say I want to add this frame. So position it, and now I want to add an image here related to, let's say, coffee. So click here and search coffee. Click here to get images, and now get it to your design, And now replace with your own text. Let's say copy this and want to position it in here and change the color of the text in white or like this color. And now replace other information if you have to add it with your design and change the color. And now let's say add this here, change this as Saifullah Saif. This is my username and change the color as this color. So add this in here and this and add tree, like I want to add tree as graphics. So I want to add this here. So once everything is done, you can just click here to download your postcard. Click here and now you can download it as a PNG file. You can download it as a PDF. You can download it as other format available. So that's it. This way you can make postcard in Canva. So in this video I have shown you how to make postcard in Canva using two methods. First method is how can you make postcard in Canva using a Canva template, and another way you can make it use your own idea to make your postcard using Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.